Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making bone salad, and that's German green bean salad with sour cream and dill. This is a very easy recipe that you can quickly whip up together. It's perfect when you have guests or when you have to make dinner quickly and at the same time do some other tasks in the house while the salad marinates. If you're new here, kindly subscribe as well as click on the notification button below so you get notified each time I upload a new video. So we're just going to combine the sour cream. Mine has some herbs in it, but you can also use plain sour cream. Ideally, you should use plain sour cream. The dill, white wine vinegar, 2 tablespoons, black pepper, salt, olive oil, and sweetener. Combine all the dressing ingredients using a whisk. Add the red onion. The best thing about this recipe is that it is easy substitutable. For example, you can use full fat yogurt instead of the sour cream. You can also fry some bacon and then just crumble it on top, some feta cheese, and just combine. You can also break up the onion pieces like this, especially if you didn't cut them as fine as you should. Then I'll just give my dressing one little quick stir. It will all go in there. Serve this German green bean salad with boiled potatoes or grilled meats in summer, or your regular oven chicken or vegetables. That also goes really well, or you can just enjoy it as it is with some bread. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. If you're new to my channel, kindly don't forget to subscribe. It'll go a long way in supporting this channel. I'm glad you stopped by, and until next time, bye bye.